Make a great choice today with the 2018 Lincoln MKT. The Lincoln MKT is engineered for extraordinary moments. The MKT offers best-in-class horsepower and V8 power with V6 fuel economy. Pair that with MKT's standard 6 airbags and advanced track with class-exclusive roll stability control, and you've got the total package. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, CD player, compass, power windows, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.